Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can share a project in Base44. Basically, it's extremely simple to send your or share your projects. Just head over to the application right here, open up or log in your account, and simply inside you then want to proceed by creating an application or heading over to your recent creations right here or recent apps. In my case, I'm going to be sharing the tic-tac-toe master game right here that I've made using a very simple prompt, which is to build me a tic-tac-toe game. Now, to share this project, you can just click on the share button at the top right corner of your screen, and simply inside this page, you will be able to see your email or the URL for this specific project. Just click on copy and you will be able to share it to Messenger, text messages, Facebook, Instagram, and more. You can also send it through an email by entering their email right here, and then you want to click on the send invitation button. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.